using the getElementById method. Practical example number 1. Here I'll add a paragraph element in the HTML code inside HTML code inside the body, for example, P here, and this element I add the following attribute ID, and right here, for example, first paragraph, or write P number 1, first paragraph P1, P small 1. Okay, here I add a button to add a text inside the paragraph. Now the paragraph empty, there is nothing. Okay, if I run the page now, for example, and refresh the page, there is nothing here, just the heading number 1 and the subtitle or heading number 2, and there is no paragraph here, as you see. Okay, now if I write something here, some text, okay, and refresh the some text. Okay, now I can write inside the paragraph element. Okay, now remove this text and control the paragraph element by using the getElementById method. Okay, here I'll add a button, for example, button. Okay, here inside the button between opening tag and the closing tag, right here, display text. Here, like this. Here's a button, display text. If I click on the button, I display the text of the paragraph here. Okay, now inside the opening tag, I add this event on click. If I press click on the button, inside the on click event, I write the following code: document dot getElementById, yeah, and between brackets inside here single quotation, and write the ID B1, case sensitive, okay, B1. Then here complete the code dot inner HTML, please write the following text, for example here between single quotation, okay, here hello grade 9. Okay, now display the result and see display text. At first refresh the page, display text hello grade 9. Now I control the paragraph by using the getElementById method. Also I can add a function here, Control X, and right here, for example, function, for example, this function name is display result. Okay, and parentheses like this. Then go to here, R capital, it's okay. Go to the Solution Explorer from here and add a new file, JavaScript file.js, like this. Okay, inside this file I add a function and write the same function name, copy and paste or display result. Okay, here display result. Okay, parentheses and curly brackets, and paste the code here. getElementById dot inner HTML equal hello grade 9. Okay, now go to the page and make connection code between the HTML page and JavaScript file script. Okay, and here between the double quotation press Ctrl space, then choose the file.js, the JavaScript file, like this. Now back to the page and refresh. Now display text, the same result. So I can write inside the event here on click, I can write the JavaScript code directly here, or add the function to do the following code. Okay, now we have finished the first example of the using of the getElementById method. Thank you.